Use the Google Play console to manage your apps and games and grow your business on Google Play. Reach and engage with people using Android devices around the world. Some people ask, can I use Google Console for free? Google Search Console is a free service offered by Google that helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. Do I need a Gmail account for Google Play Console? You will need a generic Gmail account to register for Google Play Console. How long is Google Play Console account valid? How long is Google Play Console account valid? Google Play developer accounts last forever, as it wouldn't be profitable for small developers to make recurring payments. The only way for you to expire an account is getting banned/terminated. Then all apps you publish will get removed. Save this answer. How long does it take to get Google Play developer account? Usually, it takes up to 2 days. Google says the review process could take up to 7 days or even longer. Once the app is reviewed, you'll receive a notification on Google Console dashboard. To create a Google Play Developer Console account, please follow these steps. 1. Go to the Google Play Developer Console website, https://play.google.com/apps/publish/. 2. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. 3. Enter your Google account credentials, email and password, and click on the Next button. Four. If you don't have a Google account, click on the Create Account button and follow the prompts to create a new Google account. 5. Once you are signed into your Google account, you will be asked to agree to the Google Play Developer Console terms and conditions. 6. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you will need to pay a one-time registration fee of $25 to become a registered developer. 7. Once you have paid the registration fee, you can start using the Google Play Developer Console to upload and manage your apps. Note: you will need to provide some personal and payment information during the registration process. Make sure you have this information ready before you start creating your Google Play Developer Console account.